everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. As you can see, it started to rain, so I just pulled this thing out to shoot the video and the photos, and it's not going to happen because we've got a storm headed our way. We'll get a little quick sneak peek in for you. Killer little car, 69 Chevelle SS convertible, Alabama car, finished in bright red with a gorgeous, that Parchment interior, 502 big block with a Tremec 5-speed. It's got Brodix aluminum heads, power steering, power disc brakes, air blows cold. I think everything on this thing works. Super slick car, SS rallies, just a beautiful, beautiful car. Power windows, power locks, tilt. You can see all the it's got the tach and gauge option. All that stuff works. Aftermarket radio, and just killer car. Unfortunately, this is about as good as we're going to get right now. Have a great day, guys.